just before the video starts, make sure you go and check out my website, ystech.org. This is the place where you're going to be finding the latest news and everything great in technology, from reviews to tutorials and much more. So make sure you go check it out in the description, ystech.org. I'll see you there. Hey guys, it is Wise from Tech here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Now, to be honest with you guys, it's already opened and I've actually checked out what the package is, so it's not too much of a surprise this time. But for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and get this guy open. So, just gonna try to open it here. Just gonna slide it out. Cool. So if you guys can see there, it's the DarkFlash DR12 Pro 3-in-1 sync fans, so they're RGB fans. And no, I am not using them for airflow really. My computer keeps pretty cool with one giant exhaust fan at the back, and the AMD Ryzen CPU cooler I have seems to be doing the job. But I just wanted some cool colors in the computer. I guess some side of the matte black or the black finish on it, so putting some RGB on it will definitely brighten it up. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this guy open. So they are Chinese fans. They're from AliExpress. They cost me about $30, about $10 each. They were on special and I had a discount as well. So let's pull that out, have the remote, and this is one of the main reasons I got them. I'll get to that in a second. Manual in English, which is good, and unfortunately they come with these proprietary connectors. So there's some extra kit for lighting. I think it's Asus Aura Sync, but my motherboard doesn't support that, so it's alright. But I'm going to pull out of these fans out here, and they're actually quite well made. So they come with 4 mounting screws as well, which is really good because I don't have any on me. I'm just going to chuck these fans out here. So I hope it came with 3. Looks like it just came with 2, but that's alright. We'll be able to spare some screws somewhere. And basically, yeah, these fans are just going to be used for RGB on my desktop. And you can see there's a lighting ring around these, and they have a rubber pad finish like on the edges. It's got the logo, so that's that side, and then that's the other side. So yeah, they actually look pretty good. They feel pretty good, and they spin nicely. We'll check what they are like in my computer when I get to mount them on. But yeah, if you guys want to see the fan up close like this, not bad at all. Not bad at all. So looks pretty good. Feels pretty good. Don't know about airflow. I did not buy these for airflow, and I probably wouldn't recommend them for airflow given they are Chinese fans. Like, no offense, but the quality ain't so good as the ones you're spending hundreds of dollars like the Corsair LL120s or anything like that. But they're mainly for lighting. So I mean, look, it's been like what, 3-4 years since I built my computer. So, I mean, there's nothing wrong with going with some RGB right now. I've got all my peripherals. I've got my computer maxed out to pretty much what I wanted. I don't need any more. So, waiting a while for this, and I think it's time to put some RGB on. So, this is the controller. And as you can see, it's got like I think it's a 6-pin proprietary connector. So, just connect the fan like that in, and it actually came with a cool Velcro strap as well, so you can put it on the back, which is actually quite nice. And it's got LED speed, so changing probably what the LEDs look like, the mode, probably the lighting mode, and fan speed. That's one of the other reasons I got them, because just in case these guys are too loud, this controller actually has a place to control the speed of the fan apparently, and other things like RGB, what color you have. Not too many color options, but like, hey, it's alright, you know? Yeah, and this is one of the main reasons, again, is why I got it, because they had these nice controller boards. It just uses a 4-pin Molex, like you can see there, and it can take up to 8 of these fans. It also has some sort of RGB sync, but unfortunately, I won't be able to tell you guys how that works. I assume you just plug this 3-pin cable in, and this, whatever that is, 4-pin in, and you just plug it into your motherboard. It's got like the Asus, the RGB thing. But my motherboard has one only, and it's on my CPU heatsink right now, so I'm not too keen on like taking that out. But I mean, if it's got a controller board, hey, I don't really need to control it through the motherboard, which is fine with me. But again, I will follow this up. Like, it will cut soon to me installing these on the computer, but I'm not going to be using them for airflow. They are strictly going to be for lighting only. Alright, so I'm going to try and install these fans now. Mind the redness of cables, sorry about that. Probably want to turn off the computer as well, like the power supply. And I'm going to just get this panel open. My braided cables are about to come, so hopefully soon. But let's go ahead and get this guy out, and let's see if we can install the fan. Still need to mount my SSD, and we need to clean some dust out of this guy, but we'll do this later. But basically, my idea is, let's get all of the stuff out. Okay, so we're going to put one fan up here, if it can fit, like that, there, and then I'm going to put another fan up here, like that, and they're going to be blowing wind in. So let me just see which way that is. Don't really know, so what I will do is I will connect it to a Molex cable, and I'll just see how these fans actually work. So basically, it's got the controller as well. I'm not gonna like permanently put anything in right now. And just a correction from earlier, it did actually come with 3 kits of 4 screws, so nothing to worry about there. And yeah, so I'm just gonna test the fans first. I'm just gonna have to find a Molex cable here. So I'm gonna have some braided cables coming soon, and basically what that's gonna do is gonna allow me to have less messy cables like this. I ordered some more stuff as well to do with cable management. I can't seem to find my Molex cable right now. It could be on one of these SATA ends. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up on post-production, and I'll try to find that Molex cable to plug this into. Alright, so very messy. I'm gonna get some braided cables and some sleeving and some cable combs and stuff, so I'll mount my SSD somewhere here, right down here, and cable manage it all properly. So easy plug-in, if you see that there, just normal Molex like that. And let's get these 3 fans plugged in. So let's figure 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if they work. So 1, 2, 3. Did I say 1, 2, 3, 4? I meant 1, 2, 3. I don't have any batteries for the what do you call it? The controller right now, but I'll try to find some soon. You guys don't even see the fans. There we go. So it's a little bit more red on the camera. So air is being pulled down through this way, and it will be sucked out through this way. So I will mount them upright like this. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And let's see if this guy has any battery. Okay, fan speed. Okay. I can't really see the fan speed changing. Okay, I can change the color. Cool. Oh, that's cool. Mode. So it seems like the one thing does it nicely. Just cycling through the modes. Give you guys a better look here, actually. Let's see what it has, alright? Okay, so I got 3 fans here. Mind you, the lighting's not exactly, so there's quite a few options. So this is like a spin up type of thing. You could do the RGB if you like. I mean, the airflow isn't that great, like at all. It's pretty minimal. But these are for just you know, for aesthetics, I guess. I still don't know what fan speed does. I can't really feel the fans getting faster or anything like that. They're very quiet. I can't hear it. And if you on my computer, I've got one massive exhaust fan, so that's changing the speed of the LEDs, I think. So that's off. I don't really know how this works. To read the manual. Oh, that's cool. So I'm cycling through all the modes, I guess. The blue is quite nice in this one. I guess that's solid, so that's fading out. There's a lot of modes. I think it's pretty worth it. Especially for like, I mean, look, for what, $30? That's pretty worth it. $10 each. They look pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with that. Comes with its own controller, its own remote that will be soon to be tested. If I can find a battery for it. That green's pretty nice, while that blue is quite bright. And that will probably be my color of choice. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I mean, if you guys would like to, I mean, I can do some sort of like candle blowing or something. That's probably the only thing I can think of to see if it will actually blow out a candle. But yeah, this is a part of a upgrading case board. Basically, I'm changing it from black to like more of a RGB or blue setup. I got some braided cables coming that are black and blue. And basically that's the theme of the build, black and blue, and I'm going to do some other custom things that are coming up. Instead of just buying everything, I want to do some like real custom stuff that I can do myself. I got some options in university, luckily, to be able to have access to pretty cool machines. So I'm going to definitely utilize that. Yeah, so I'm going to install them now, and we'll see how they look in the case. And I'll show you probably maybe when I get to finish up the build completely with the braided cables and stuff, then I'll be able to show you how it like really, really pops. Alright, so let's get this in the case. So I guess there's one downside to it is I installed this the wrong way around one of them, so got really wrong airflow right now, but the whole idea is, so okay, let me take you guys off the tripod. It'll be a bit shaky, but sorry. Okay. So I installed one the wrong way. These screws are a pain in the butt to put in, so yeah. They are double-sided rings, so on the inside you can see them, which looks pretty cool, I guess. I got the halo ring from the AMD logo there, and yeah. So, I mean, the airflow isn't the best, but the whole idea is for the air to come through here, and then come through here and cool the CPU. The CPU blows out the air, and it comes up here, and you get the graphics card when it's working. The fans will push down and come up here, hopefully. I think that's how it works. But that's why I'm not replacing that massive fan there. Yeah, I know it's a little bit louder, but I don't really care, so about that. But yeah, these two fans at the top are pretty silent. My computer's, I guess, is a loud computer, you could say. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. So I guess thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! So, yeah, that about sums up the video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure you can check out ystech.org for the latest post reviews and much more, just like this one, on PC content, entertainment, and much more. I'll see you guys there at ystech.org. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.